All right, boo-boos, I just gave you a lesson on argumentative text, and I want to read you a little story out of Storyworks. It's called Should Plastic Straws Be Banned? So I picked this one up to read, so let me read it and we can talk about it. It says it's a debate, so that means an argument. That's another word for argument. Here we go. Should plastic straws be banned? Plastic straws make drinking fun, but they're harming animals around the world. So let's see if we know the genre. When you think of a plastic straw, you probably imagine mouth-watering milkshakes, ice-cold sodas, and delicious smoothies. Americans use 500 million straws every day, enough to wrap around the globe 2.5 times. That's data, facts, information. Straws make drinking easier and neater, and who doesn't love that loud slurp at the end of a satisfying drink? But did you know that those skinny straws around the world are harming animals? In the United States alone, people throw out 12 million pounds of plastic straws a year. That's another fact, data. These straws are so light that they can blow right out of trash cans and garbage trucks. The wind carries them through the air, and billions are landing in rivers and oceans. Birds, fish, and other animals can mistake them for food and swallow them by accident. Straws have been found, this is kind of sad and horrible, straws have been found stuck in a sea turtle's nose and wedged in the stomach of dead animals and dolphins. Some experts estimate that more than 1 million sea animals are killed each year by straws. So that's another factor of detail. So they're using logic and or other types of plastic trash. The crisis is so serious that many people are saying that plastic straws should be outlawed. Okay, there's our topic, there's our claim, there's our key idea, that they should be outlawed, and they've given information, they've given us some supporting ideas, supporting details already of why, because it's hurting animals and killing animals. Seattle is one of the growing number of cities that are planning to prohibit restaurants and coffee shops from handing out plastic straws, not just for fun. Banning, but not for everyone, supports the idea of banning plastic straws completely. For some people, straws are just for fun. Millions of people need straws. Oh, or not just for fun. Okay, many people need straws because they have health issues that make it hard to drink directly from a cup. Without a straw, some very ill elderly people would struggle with the liquids they need to survive. Others suffer from tooth problems, and it's painful to drink cold drinks. So see, now they're giving you the other side of the story. They've given you their claim, what they think, but they're giving you another side of the story. Let's see if they're going to give us a solution to it or what they think might help. And of course, it's hard to drink thick, frothy beverages like frappuccinos without a straw. Nobody looks good with a chocolate mustache or a blob of whipped cream on their nose. Supporters of the ban point out that not all straws have to be outlawed, just disposable plastic ones. People could still buy straws made of recyclable paper or recyclable materials like glass or bamboo. So see, they're giving you an option. And here's a very cool idea. Straws made of ice. You can make them in a special mold in your freezer. They cool your drink as you sip them, and they disappear completely. Drinkers get to enjoy the slurp, and animals stay safe. What a refreshing idea. So then it gives you, yes, they should be banned, or no, they shouldn't be banned. So this is a debate. This is an argument. So the genre is what? Nonfiction. We can tell that because it gave us information and details. It wasn't a made-up story about flying straws or something like that. The audience is all the people out there who are using plastic straws. They're trying to get their attention. They're trying to argue what they think. And the topic is, should they be banned? That's what they're arguing about. The author used logic and data, and I pointed some of that out to you while we were reading it to say why that this should happen. And then they also offered an alternative to it. It did use text features. The title, picture, a caption, another picture with a caption, a little bitty text box. It did. And you can see I annotated as I read it. So I'm doing what I taught you to do. What a great example. Anyway, the text structure, you can probably kind of fit in a couple of them. Cause and effect. Using the straws, they've flown out of garbage cans, they've been disposed of incorrectly. The effect is animals have been hurt. It could be a problem. Solution could be the text structure. The problem is we're using too many of them, and innocent animals are getting hurt because of our carelessness. You know, you can pick which text structure it is, but it's important that you think about it because that helps you come to the idea of what the claim is. So we got to understand that it gives us reasons with data. It gives us an alternative. It didn't use a whole lot of emotion in there. It didn't. It used a lot of facts and figures to try to win you over. The key idea, remember there was a key idea, plastic straws, and then supporting details or evidence. The turtle that had it up its nose, I've seen that on YouTube. That was pretty sad, pretty gross. The stomachs of what did it say, dolphins and birds. They found them in the stomachs of them, and they said there's so many plastic straws. They throw out 12 million a year, and it said it could wrap around the globe 2.5 times. So it gave us facts and data. So now you say, yes, they're harmful, we should ban them, or no, we shouldn't ban them. And also remember that it did give us some ideas of what to do if we didn't want to do it. So that's kind of a little example of a argumentative text. So keep all that jibber jabber in mind whenever Friday comes around and Miss Mallory tells you what you're going to do with your writing. I hope this helps. I hope it explains it a little bit. Oh, also think about the Mary Celeste. Remember the different things they said about what happened to the ship, the different arguments they had about what happened to the ship? Remember that? They said that it was a pirate theory. Remember the ship? It was a ghost ship. They found it, and there wasn't anybody on it. It was like they just walked off and left. It was scary. It was creepy, and it was floating around. They said that the crew got drunk and fell off. They said that they got scared and got in a boat and left. They said that there were weather theories. Remember, I had you guys draw a picture of your own theory, and we put it up in the hall. That was kind of an argumentative text. You were arguing what you think happened to the Mary Celeste, and then you had to come up with evidence or ideas in your picture as to why you thought that that's why the ship was a ghost ship and was by itself. So you kind of already done this. You should be pros at it. Y'all are so smart anyway. So just kind of remember back to that. This isn't new. It's kind of new. You got it. You can do it. I'm proud of you. If you have questions, my dears, email, text, Google Hangouts, send it in classroom. Let us help you with it. Okay? I love you. I will see you in Google Hangouts on Wednesday, and all your homeroom teachers will see you in Google Hangouts. They all are excited about it and look forward to it. I always hear them talking about how much they love you and miss you and can't wait to see your faces and talk to you in Google Hangouts. So do your assignments. Remember to send them to us so we can document that you're doing it. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.